Chicken fry. "500 grams of chicken. Add salt to taste. Add half tsp of turmeric and 1 tsp of red chili powder. Add half tsp of coriander and garam masala powder. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste and half tsp of black pepper powder. Add half tsp kasuri methi. Add 2 green chilies and 2 sliced onions. Add some chopped coriander. Add 1 tsp of oil. Combine and mix all ingredients very nicely. Marinate it for at least half an hour. Heat 2 tsp of oil in a kadai and add marinated chicken. Stir fry for 5 minutes on high flame. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open lid. Chicken is cooked nicely. Add half lemon juice and mix. Tasty chicken fry is done. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix. Turn off flame. Tasty masala chicken fry is ready. Time to serve tasty chicken fry. Enjoy tasty chicken fry with roti, naan, rumali ki roti, or rice. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.